Welcome to the casino on Margaritaville at Sea Islander.
Okay, because so many people want to know the games that are in the casino. Do they have blackjack game? Do they have Wheel of Fortune? Whatever that is. So we're going to go around and we're going to show you the games they actually have in the casino here on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. We are in port, so the casino is closed. That way I can show you all the machines. Lightning Link. Some of the machines are not brightly lit up, but I'll show them to you anyway. The Lucky Hog. So that is just this one little corner. We'll move on over here to the center of the room. This is the, I guess that's craps, right? So there's one craps table here. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blackjack tables. I guess they're blackjack. I don't know what they are. I don't gamble, so. I think the games are pretty. I like hearing when you win. I like hearing that sound. More money. They seem to have really big jackpots on them. I don't know exactly how you win them big jackpots, but they seem to have pretty good jackpots on them. This station here must not have power on that station. That whole station is kind of... These are kind of grayed out, so must be having a little bit of power issue with a couple of these stations. So it's kind of like this little corner here. Got some power issues, looks like. Lots of Wheel of Fortune kind of games. So this station here, this station's the one that has, must be working on that somehow. Okay, so I've taken you from that corner over there all the way around those machines and back over here to the craps table. So, oh, this is roulette. So the roulette table here, I think it's the craps at the other end. And then we still have these machines over on this side of the room. I'll start down here at the bottom. Let's go down here to the bottom. And this is a cash casino. No card usage. You literally put cash in these machines. So it's the old school cash. Want to see what that's? That's an interesting looking game, isn't it? Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Not sure what some of these games are, so you guys know, though. I guess all that's important is that you know. The power issue that I'm seeing now I think it's just because we're in port, because all these machines were lit up yesterday when we walked through. So don't let the fact that the machines are not on right now concern you. Look at this. Bill rejected. Since I really don't know much about gambling, I really can't give you much of a heads up on, hey, check that game out, because I really just don't know. So that is most of the machines on this side. Oh, look at the big goldfish. I like the big goldfish. And the funny thing is, they look so cartoonish to me, right? They look like cartoons. Okay, and then we have, I don't know what you play here. Blackjack, I don't know. And then this is the cash out counter. And it is cash only. You got more little piggies. Cash machine. And they do have 2 ATM machines here, so you can get cash. Queenie. Man, these machines here are not on right now. Look like really big jackpots. I don't really know what that means, but those of you that gamble, I guess you do. So we're back around to the craps table where we started. So that is the Margaritaville at Sea Islander Casino. And the bar is on this end, the cash out is on the other end. And that was the whole tour.
Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Margaritaville at Sea Islander Casino. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And please check out more of our videos, shorts, and live streams. Thanks. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.